Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. I would like to share with you some tips when you want to answer consolidated statement of cash flow or statement of cash flow. First, okay, this is the paper that you want to, your answer paper. Okay, so how do you start? You can start with the title. Okay, let's say here we have consolidated statement of cash flow. For the year ended 31st December 2019. Okay, do you remember that this statement of cash flow can be divided into three activities. So you can basically estimate. Let's say we have here the first one, cash flow from operating activities. Okay, so quite a few items under this cash flow from operating. Then you can just simply leave few lines blank. Then you can proceed with cash flow from, I think it should be here, cash flow from investing activities. Okay, then after that we have the third category, cash flow from financing activities. Okay, so just write all this title. Okay, don't wait until you spend your time to finish cash flow from operating. No, you just write. You basically just estimate few lines. It's okay to have extra line. Okay, and finally, remember we have the last part of the statement of cash flow. Okay, I normally advise the student to write this last part as well straight away when you prepare your answer. So which is net, let's say net increase in cash, and you can write this item as the last part in your answer in this first page. Net increase in cash and cash equivalent. And cash and cash equivalent at the beginning. And cash equivalent at the end. Okay, so just write this and in your answer. Okay, remember I told you identify cash and cash equivalent at the beginning and then cash and cash equivalent at the end. If let's say in that question we have more than one item for cash and cash equivalent, you can write notes. Okay, you can start to write notes on cash and cash equivalent. Notes on cash and cash equivalent here. Okay, remember we will have item like bank. Okay, then we have as well like bank overdraft and short-term investment. What you need to do, you have to compare between beginning, we have here beginning, and we have after that ending. Okay, so normally after that you need to prepare working. So what I always do, okay, when to make it easier for you to prepare working, maybe what you can do, you flip this paper into two. Okay, here, and then you take your ruler and then you just you can just draw the line here. Okay, let's say we have here the line here. Draw a line from up here until the end, and then you draw another line here in the second part of the paper. Okay, so you can straight away write workings here. So let's say we have PPE. Okay, so just draw PPE, prepare your PPE, the account. So we have like BD here and then balance CD here. Okay, don't waste your time to draw the line. And then after that, let's say you want to immediately prepare goodwill account. You can just write goodwill here. your account here, and then put balance BD here. Straight away put balance CD here. Okay, you can as well prepare the working in this next column. You can prepare the account in one page. Okay, let's say we have investment in associate here. Remember, we have investment in associate account in SOFP. So you will show BD here and balance CD here. Okay, so this is how you try to be smart when you answer statement of cash flow. So when you read the question, let's say this is the question. Okay, this is Ripalam question. Okay, you read one time the question. Straight away, you can find and identify what are the items that you can consider as item in this statement of cash flow. Let's say when you first read this additional information number 1. First time you read this additional information number 1, you can see this sentence. Sri Palam acquired interest in Alam Surya for 3.4 million cash. Can you see the word cash? So definitely this amount will be shown in your statement of cash flow. Don't waste your time. Straight away you can put this as part of your answer. Okay, you can always start with cash flow from investing activities here. So you can start acquisition of subsidiary. So we have the name here is Alam Surya. Okay, you can see from the question, you can read from the question just now 3.4 million cash, but this 3.4 million we will deduct with bank balance that for bank balance of this subsidiary. Don't forget that you have to draw 2 column. Okay, you have to make sure, okay, in this column, okay, show RM as in the question we have RM000 here. So and then another column RM000 here. Okay, so you can show this 3.4 minus 500 as 2.9. And this acquisition of subsidiary is cash outflow. Don't forget that you have to show in bracket. Okay, so normally I will advise the student to show only one figure here ending for operating, one figure here ending for investing, and one figure here for financing. So you have to make sure you get the same total amount for all these 3 items, which is equivalent to net increase in cash and cash equivalent here. So let's say for this question, we have bank overdraft. We only have bank overdraft in this question, 1.1 at the beginning. So you show 1.1 at the beginning here, and then we have at the end 2 million. You will show 2 million here. So by right, you know that there is actually decrease in cash and cash equivalent of negative 900. So you can draw the line. Oh, sorry, not here. It's here. You can draw the line. Okay. Sorry, not here. So 900, you have to make sure all these 3 figures equal to negative 900. Negative 900. Decrease. This is net decrease in cash and cash equivalent, 900,000, cash and cash equivalent at the beginning, negative 1.1 million, and cash equivalent at the end 2 million. So you can proceed. Just, it's okay to have these steps because you want to try to make sure you can answer. Straight away when you read additional information 1, you can just show your answer here. Don't wait until you read everything, then you will spend more time for that. Good luck!